how to add video in Messenger Story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add video in Messenger Story. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on your story option, or there you can just tap on plus icon beside that circle. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the story section. Now here, simply tap on it and you'll be prompted to the story section. Now from here, you can simply choose the video from your gallery to post it as a story, but if you like you can also tap on the camera and take a video clip from there. And now here, once you have selected the video that you want to add on your story, then you can simply add text, stickers, emojis, and music, and if you like you can even edit the videos from here. And here, once you're done with everything, you can just tap on share now. And once you do that, videos will be posted on your messenger. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.